Gracious God, relieve me, I'm distressed. Display your mercy to me now, and answer my request. The glory of my name, O men, how long will you despise? How long will you delude yourselves, still searching after lies? Know that the Lord has set apart the godly as his own. The Lord will hear me when I call, and my request make known. In anger do not break God's law, consider and be still. Present a righteous sacrifice, and wait upon his will. Oh, who can show us any good? I hear so many say. O Lord, shine on us with your light, show us your face, I pray. You filled my heart with greater joy than others may have found, as they rejoiced at harvest time, when grain and wine abound. I will lie down and sleep in peace, my heart will rest secure, for you alone, O gracious Lord, will keep me safe